See, in question 2, what is given? 1,500 families. Okay, how many? So, what we can write? Total number of families 1,500. With 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. Which of the following data? These following data. That number of girls in families. So in 475 out of 1,500, 475 families, 2 girls are there. In 801 14 families, 1 girl is there, and in 211 families, no girl is there. 0 girl means no girl, isn't it? Now we should find the probability of family chosen at random having 2 girls, 1 girl and no girl. So now we have total number of families 1,500. So for the first answer, that means to find the probability of 2 girls, we will write number of families having 2 girls. That is already given in the question. That is 475. 475 families have 2 girls in their family as a member. Now probability of having 2 girls. What will be probability? Number of families having 2 girls divided by total number of families, isn't it? This is the probability formula we learnt in intro part. Now number of families, that is also given 475 divided by 1,500. So this we can simplify using 5 as a divisor, isn't it? So what we will get here? 95 by 300. Further we can divide using again 5. So we will get 19 by 60. Now we can't divide further. This is a simplified form. So 19 by 60 is the probability of having 2 girls. In a similar way we can find for the second part. For the second part also total number of families are 1,500. I will write number of families having 1 girl. So that is already given in the question. 1 girl means how many families have 1 girl as a family member? 840. Okay. So what will be probability of having 1 girl? Number of families having 1 girl divided by total number of families. That will be 814 divided by 1,500. Both have even number at units place. So both numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. So we'll divide by 2 both numerator and denominator. So what we will get? See, 2 4s are 8 and then 7 and 750. Now we can't divide further. So this is the probability of having 1 girl, isn't it? Similarly, for the third part also we can find. For the third part, total number of families will be same, isn't it? But number of families having no girl we can write. That is already given in the question. 0 girl means no girl. So 211. Then probability of having no girl will be number of families having no girl divided by total number of families. That will be 211 divided by 1,500. So this is the probability. Now second part of the question is also check whether the sum of these probabilities is 1 or not. So what we will do for the second part? We will check. probability of 2 girl plus probability of 1 girl plus probability of no girl. These all probability we should add and we should check whether we are getting 1 or not. So for this we got 19 by 60. For this we got 407 by 750, and for this we got same. Okay, so what we will do, we will write this as, actually if we write in without simplified form, that will be easy to find, because this we simplified 475 we simplified to 19 by 60, isn't it? Now here denominator will be same, so for addition it will be easy. 814 we simplified to 407. Okay, now denominator is same, so we can add numerator. That will definitely give 1500. So probability is 1.